Hello all, here's my intro. Welcome to Spiritually Unspiritual, where psychology and spirituality go hand in hand. Okay. I am doing not a retake. I'm just trying something out again with the Oracle of Machu Picchu. I adjusted the ring light, and I think then the people having yard work done are done. I may have to invest in some noise canceling something or other. Still hear cars driving by. Oh well, it's morning. Anyway, also these cards are phenomenal. That's the best way I can put it. So I would like to see if there's something more that they would like to reveal. Again, we've got the Lodolite, Shamanic Dreamstone. This is a very shamanistic, energetic process this morning. So much alignment. So I'd like to expand upon that and see if more messages come through. Okay? I did pre-shuffle them this time. I took out the description of the deck. Let's see. Again, I don't know how many cards will come out. There goes the motorcycle. Okay. Ooh. Well, since it flipped over, we'll leave it. Okay. What else? What else going on? Messages? Where would you like to take us through Machu Picchu? Actually, the Sacred Plaza. Ooh, wow. Plaza stones gathered people in divine order. Message: gather with others to share purpose and strength. True power rises in collective harmony and sacred exchange. Fact: the Sacred Plaza connected temples at Machu Picchu. It hosted ceremonies uniting community, politics, and religion. Whoa. I'm going to take this as the heart. The heart. Have something in mind. Don't know. Let's see how many cards come out. Oh, here's another one. Temple of Three Windows. Portal of Origins. Three windows symbolize dawn of Inca creation. Message: origin matters, for they shape destiny's path. Remember beginnings to find clarity in where you are going. Fact: the temple held three trapezial windows. They symbolize the Inca origin myth from the cave of Pacaratumbo? Sure, Pacaratumbo. Oh, okay. Oh, these images. Ooh. Let's see. Do we get another? Do we get another? Do we get another? What else would you like to show us? Where else would you like to guide us? That's a better question. Where else would you like to guide us? Where else would you like to guide us? Where else would you like... Ooh, not all of those. Where else would you like to guide us? Where else? Where else? Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, 2 more. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Temple of the Condor, Wings of Transformation. Stone Condor unites earth, sky, and spirit. Message: rise beyond limits to embrace spiritual flight. Perspective changes everything when you dare to soar higher. Fact: a natural rock formation shaped like a condor was used in ceremonies. The condor symbolized connection with the heavens. Okay, let's see what this one says. Back to the main gate. The gate marks passage into Holy City. Respect threshold as beginnings of transformation. Enter new spaces with reverence and intention. We're going through the gate again. We're going through the gate again. And again, right? Controlling access to this sacred space full of wisdom, innovation, learning, sharing, collaboration, authority, and protection. Well, I think what else I'd like to do is, hold on, let me grab these again. Maybe I will draw from the Andean Healing Card Energy, or Andean Healing Energy cards. Let's see. Additional message. Additional, geez. Additional. I really just want one card. Additional message. Additional message. What else? How would you like to add? Thank you. Yaka Apukuna. Remember Apu's mountain. Are you feeling sorry for yourself, beloved child of light? Allow the mountain spirits to inspire a lift in your consciousness. The Apus hold the crystalline wisdom of the ages. Ask them to help you burn off the self-pity and discover your truth. Call on them in prayer and meditation. Chant their name. Create a relationship. Watch your dreams. The Apus are available to you. Make yourself available to them. Offer a despacho, it's like an offering, or the effort of a sacred, I was about to say sacrifice, the effort of a sacred hike up their back. Oh, that's a lovely visual. It's good to have friends in high places. A little humor there. Okay, well, I'm curious to see what is going on. Oh, it's, well, yappa. Maybe I find it, maybe I don't. Yappa. Okay. Apus are lords of the mountains. Apus are called upon for healing, protection, and guidance. The Apus are associated with the color white, which represents the snows. In ceremony, white carnations and white wine are used as part of the offering to the Apu. Mountains are said to contain great wisdom. They hold within them vast crystalline energy. Oh, all these crystals are probably coming from mountains, right? Oh, all levels of Andean priesthood honor the Apus. Alto Masayoks are the level of Andean priests who is in direct dialogue with the Apus. There's much more here. Ooh, lots of lovely history. And then this is cute. They different lineages refer to different mountains. So they are actually mentioning sacred mountains in the U.S. include Mount Shasta, Mount Washington, Mount Rainier, Mount Mansfield, Mount Marcy, Mount Mitchell, the Black Hills, and many others. Oh, interesting. And again, a new way to look at mountains. Again, create a relationship. Watch your dreams. Well, I am leaving it at that. Whoever needs this message, whoever's feeling sorry for themselves, to be reminded of all the greater messaging coming through in the world, whether it is through the cosmos, through community, through connection with the divine, through being present, intentionality, right? Looking to your ancestors, those that have come before, those that have, the energy. The pain, the suffering, the hopes, the dreams, the desires, the motivations, the frustrations, the setbacks, the steps forward, the cultivation on so many levels: mind, body, spirit, above, middle, below, all aligned, striving to align that connection, striving to align presence with the past, with the future. All. I knew these cards would be powerful. This combination. Ooh, I love it. Again, thank you for coming into this energy. Thank you for, again, taking a journey, stepping through the gates, receiving the information, aspiring to a higher version of self, Well, this is like a bonus. Have a wonderful day. Have an inspiring day. Have a day filled with connection and presence. Take good care. Bye-bye.